Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fertilize your aquaponics system. So what we're doing today is we're adding nutrients to the water as well as iron to the water, depending on your source. For example, if you have a well, you may not have to add the iron to the water. But what we're using for the iron is some chelated iron. And then for the nutrients, we're adding some soluble seaweed powder. Each of these, I add 1 tablespoon per 100 gallons every 1 to 2 weeks. And what you'll notice is that if you do have an iron deficiency in your water, if you look at this duckweed that I planted a few days ago, it's not at all growing and it's beginning to yellow. Whenever you see your plants beginning to yellow, that's the time to add iron, or that you may need to add more of it. If you look over here at this duckweed that was planted at the same time, but it was from water that had iron already added. As you can see, that's already started to cover the surface of the water, and it's a nice deep green. So this tank is about 100 gallons. What I like to do is I like to put it right over the intake of the pump so that when this is running, or you have plants growing in here, it immediately goes up into the towers and it lets it soak in through the roots. It also helps to add it right there, because then it also filters through your biofilter a little bit. A lot of nice, a lot of nutrients and iron gets built up in your system. As you can see, once you've added your iron and your nutrients into your water, it's going to be tinted a dark red color. Adding the soluble seaweed powder adds nutrients to the water that we may be lacking from the feed that we're feeding our fish. When fertilizing, just remember 2 things: iron and nutrients. If your plants are beginning to yellow, you're not adding enough of them. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out the next video where we're going to be showing how to plant our aquaponics towers.